In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to website in Carrd. If you want your site to feel more alive, whether it's a portfolio, event page, or landing page, adding music is a simple way to set the tone. Here's how to do it cleanly and correctly inside Carrd. First, go to Carrd and open the site you want to edit. Once you're in the builder, look to the sidebar and open the page settings. Inside that panel, select the audio option. This is where you'll connect your music source and control how it plays on your site. Carrd accepts audio via URLs from a handful of supported services. You'll see the list right in the interface. It includes Audiomack, Bandcamp, Google Drive, Mixcloud, and SoundCloud. Each one works a little differently, but the idea is the same. You provide a valid link, and Carrd handles the embed. For Audiomack, you can use a track or playlist link. Bandcamp supports tracks, albums, and playlists. Just grab the share link for the piece you want. Google Drive can host your audio files, but make sure the file is accessible to anyone with the link, otherwise it won't play on your site. Mixcloud links will embed a mix or show with the platform's player. SoundCloud supports single tracks, sets, and playlists. In general, use the public share URL. Carrd will convert it to an embedded player automatically. When you have your link, paste it into the URL field in the audio section. You don't need to add custom code, just the proper share link from one of the supported services. If the player preview doesn't appear, double-check that the URL is public and in the correct format provided by the platform. Finally, click Done to confirm your changes. That's it. Your audio will be attached to the page and will load through the embedded player. A quick tip. Modern browsers often limit autoplay, especially with sound on, so be mindful of user experience. Also, only use music you have rights to share. With that in place, your Carrd site now has the perfect soundtrack.